Hey, my name is Veena Prashant. Welcome to Smart Creator Press. Smart Creator Press is the most complete all-in-one membership LMS and funnel building plugin for WordPress. Today I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how easy it is to get started with SCP. SCP automates a whole bunch of things for you. It does all of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to do it manually. It makes tech super simple. So now let me take you behind the scenes to give you a quick tour of SCP and show you how easy it is to get started with SCP. So download SCP from your members area on our site, and then you can go to plugins page on your site, click on add new plugin and upload SCP activated. Once you activate it, you're going to find SCP right here and click on it. It's going to bring you to the getting started page. This is the first page, and this is only going to show up the first time you're setting up SCP on your site. And if you want to refer back to it, you can always click on getting started and it'll bring you back here. And this is optional. You don't have to follow these steps. This is mostly for like information purposes. There is very little setup here, like business info. This is currently the only page where you have to enter information. This might change in future, but currently this is the only information you got to enter. Rest is mostly for your information, just to make it easy for you to understand where you're going to find different things and how SCP works and stuff like that. So first tab is like the welcome message. Second tab is business info. Enter your business name, admin name, primary email. This will be used in the emails that SCP sends. All of this you can update later. If you're not ready with it yet, you can go to the settings page and you'll be able to update all of this there. Author bio. So this is useful for if you do courses, if you're going to use SCP for your online courses, this information is going to show in the front end. And if you don't enter anything, it's just not going to show that section. So not a big deal. If you don't want to enter anything, you can leave it empty. Logo, upload a logo image. And all right, so the next step is pages. So when you install and activate SCP, it's going to automatically generate some of these pages for you. So let's click on this link right here, and it will take you to the settings page where you will learn more about these pages that SCP generates. Login page. SCP will automatically generate a login page. When you run a membership site, you're going to need a login page so users can log in, your members can log in and access all of the content that you have behind the paywall or behind the login wall, right? So that's what SCP does. SCP comes with a login form, so you don't have to create a login form or a login page. SCP does it for you. Obviously, you can customize it, and if you don't want to use SCP's login form, that's fine too. You can use any login form. SCP is a WordPress plugin, so as long as users are logged in to WordPress, they're logged in to SCP as well. All right, this is how it looks by default, and all of this is customizable in the backend. All right, so this is the login form or login page generated by SCP. SCP is also going to give you a shortcode for your login form. Now registration. Now this one is not generated when you install SCP, but SCP will automatically generate registration forms if you when you create like a free product in SCP. If you create a product or a course in SCP and if you mark it as free, then SCP will automatically generate a registration form so users can sign up, right? So again, you can click on this to manage those forms that are generated by SCP. You can customize it, you can update it, all that you can do here. All right, so let's go to the dashboard. So here you can see SCP generates a membership dashboard. Now this is one thing people are often confused about with other plugins. Like I want to create like a nice looking dashboard page where my members can go and find everything. Self-service hub, right, where they can go and manage their account details, where they will find all their products, courses, memberships, invoice, everything, and where they can update their credit card and billing information. In most plugins, you're going to have to manually create these pages and enter different short codes and all that stuff. In SCP, you don't have to do any of that. SCP will automatically create a beautiful looking member dashboard, and everything that your members are going to need, they're going to find it there. Let me show you how it looks. You can see this is a dashboard page generated by SCP. There are currently only two tabs, my profile and update billing. Now the reason the my courses tab is not showing, or my membership or orders, invoice, none of those tabs are showing is because I don't have anything else on the site yet. SCP is a smart plugin. It's only going to show the tabs based on what you have, what you offer from your site. It's not going to show the tabs that are empty. As I create a course or a product membership, right, it's going to create several other tabs and it's going to show to users that are logged in what's relevant to them. So if a user has not purchased any courses from you, they're not going to see a courses tab. If they have not purchased any digital products from you, it's not going to show them that tab, right? So that's how it works. All right, order confirmation. This is like a thank you page generated by SCP. Once purchase is complete, SCP will automatically send users to this page. So you don't have to manually create like a thank you page in SCP. SCP will automatically generate this page and show them all the details of the purchase details, invoice ID and everything they need. And there will be a link that says go to my account or my dashboard, and they can click on it to go to the dashboard where they will find the purchase details. SCP will also automatically log in users upon purchase. So it's optional, like if you want to create a thank you page and when someone completes the purchase, you want to send them to your custom thank you page, you can always do that. You can configure that when you create your products or courses in SCP, but you don't have to because this page is automatically generated by SCP and it looks great by default. Checkout. Another thing SCP does when you install SCP is it's going to create 2 checkout pages for you. Currently 2, because we have 2 templates in SCP, so it creates 2 checkout, 1 per template. And you can create as many checkout pages as you want, right? You don't have to just use these checkout pages created by SCP. You can use the same order form for all of your products because these order forms are smart. Checkout pages are smart. SCP will automatically populate the right product details based on whatever the member is purchasing, right? When they click on buy button for that product, SCP will populate that product's details on the checkout page. So you don't have to create multiple checkout pages if you don't want to. But if you want to create different checkout pages because you want different look and feel or you want to add additional information for some of your products, you can create different checkout pages. So for that, you can go to payments checkout right here and you can create as many checkout pages as you want. All right, so these are some of the pages generated by SCP currently. We will be adding more to this list possibly in future, but these ones we already have. So let me now quickly walk you through these menu items here. So you can see the first section is for the dashboard. Dashboard is where you will find all of the stats. You will also find product level or course level breakdown here. You can also select date range and everything is going to be here. Funnel stats, order bump stats, everything will be here. Courses. So all your courses you will find here. You can manage your courses from here. You can edit, you can add new courses, you can edit existing courses, make updates to it. Products. Products is where you can create your digital products, downloads, and also memberships. Once you create the product and you're setting up your pricing, then you can say this one is going to be subscription, this one is going to be one time, this one is going to be installment. So that you can set up at product level. So products and memberships you can create here under products. Members, this is where you will find all your members. And all your members, as they purchase stuff from you, free members, paid members, all members are going to be here. You can manage your members. And when you click on a member's name, it's going to bring you to this page where you will find all the details about the member, their profile information, account information. You can also generate a one-click login link if you want to log in as that member. To test member experience, if a member is saying, I'm not able to access content and you want to see what's happening, you can click on this, generate a one-click link, and then log in as that member and test member experience. Billing information, custom fields, everything is here. And also member activity. You will find video stats. You will find course stats, what courses they have completed and what lessons have they completed, what are the quizzes they have completed, products, everything is here, right? Member activity, everything that they have done so far in your membership site, you will find all detailed stats here. Getting started, this is the page we talked about earlier. Checkout, this is where you will find all your checkout pages, checkout forms, and you can customize it. Click on edit to customize it. And order bump page, you can create one or more order bumps and attach it to a checkout. In SCP, you create the checkout. Checkout is already there for you. So all you have to do is when you create your order bump offers, you can just connect it to a checkout. So this order bump will automatically show up on that checkout page. When users go to their checkout, the order bump offers that you add here will show up there. And then same thing with funnels, right? This is the funnels page where you can create your funnels. And I'm not going to show you exactly how to create all of this stuff because we're going to have different documentation for each one of this, for order bumps, for funnels. When you click on create new funnel, you can connect it to a checkout, right? So checkout sits in the middle, right? You have your product, courses, memberships, all at the top. You have your checkout forms. Then you have your order bumps and funnel. Order bump is going to show up on the checkout form. Funnel is going to happen after someone completes a purchase, then they're going to go to the funnel page, right? So funnel is after the checkout. So everything you connect to a checkout. Just keep that in mind. Coupon page, you can create coupon codes. here, and also you can pre-apply coupon codes to your products or courses in SCP. Orders paid, you will find all the order details here, payment order details. Subscriptions is reserved just for your subscriptions, which is like recurring payments. You will find all the recurring payments here. Settings, all the settings you will find here. Global settings you will find here. And automations, SCP has outbound automations and inbound automations. Outbound is when you're sending stuff from SCP to an external platform. So when someone gets access to an SCP product, then what should happen next? So that's what an outbound automation is, where you're sending stuff from SCP to your platform. The platform could be an email platform such as MailerLite, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. SCP integrates with a bunch of email platforms, So now, inbound is when something is happening in an external platform and you want to notify SCP and give access, unlock access to something within SCP because of that, right? But the main activity is happening outside of SCP. So you can do that too. That's inbound automation. Goal setting. Here you can set up one-time goal, or you can do habits. One-time goal is something you would probably want to set up for your courses, where you can say, these are your goals for this course. As you're taking this course, these are the main goals, right? You can set up goals, and there will be an automated check-in where users can go to the dashboard and check in and say, yes, I have done it. And also you can say, these are habits. These are not connected to a specific course, but these are habits we would like you to build. So for example, workout for 15 minutes every day, so depending on whatever are the main habits you want your members to build, you can add those habits and help them be consistent, develop consistent habits, right? So those things are grouped under habits. So you can do goals and habits in SCP. All right, hub forms. This is where you can manage your member dashboard that SCP creates for you, different member dashboard pages, different tabs, and that's it. All right, forms is where you will find your registration forms. You can update it, license key, and as you can see, it's really easy to understand, because you can see everything is organized. Under payments, we have organized all the payment related stuff. Automation, all the automation related stuff. Forms, all the member dashboard and registration form related stuff. So everything is easily organized, and here is where you create stuff like courses, products, memberships. So now let me show you how you can easily add an online course or a product in SCP and how it will show up in the dashboard. So say that you're looking to create an online course. So click on create a new course. And here, let's say we are creating a course using CSV. Now, it doesn't matter which method you use. Both are super simple. You can create a course from scratch where you just have to enter a few details about your course. And if you want to use a CSV file where you already have some content for your lessons for your course, SCP can import it as well. I'm going to use a create course from CSV. And you can download the sample file to see what it looks like. All right, so you can see these are the fields that you have to fill out. Course information you don't have to repeat, but for each one of your lessons and modules you can repeat that information right here. And there is sample information as well to make it easy for you. And without modules, if you just have lessons, you can use this format. Just follow the instructions, which are all here in the first tab. Anyways, so here I'm going to upload a CSV file and upload. That's it. Course is ready already. Let's take a look at this course in the front end. You can see this looks amazing, right? I didn't have to do anything. All I did was imported a CSV file and everything is here. And you can see these are the lessons. Everything is built, like this. Even this background image, you don't have to upload any images because it's already there for you, and the title shows up in front of this background image. If you want to change this background to something else, you can do that in the settings page. So let's take a look at the dashboard now. All right, this is the dashboard now. Remember I showed you earlier where it was just showing the my profile and update billing. Now you can see it shows my courses and my progress connected to the course. This is how easy it is. Even the same thing with products. You create a product, it's going to show on my products tab, and users can access it easily in SCP. This is how it works. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, SCP makes everything easy and pages look stunning. And SCP also automates a whole bunch of stuff for you, stuff that you have to do manually in other platforms. You don't have to do it in SCP. It's all done for you. Obviously, you can update it, you can customize it, you can make it your own, but SCP does most of the heavy lifting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm going to be publishing a lot more videos like this. And so if you don't have SCP, go to smartcreatorpress.com and don't wait, sign up. It's the best membership LMS and funnel building plugin for WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.